Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix we could not open the place HTTP error. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error occurred due to multiple logins and a network issue and the firewall blocking your Roblox game. So for that, our first step is to close all the running Roblox application and multiple logins using your application and as well as your browser. So please close that and try again. If the error occurs again, in the sense, you need to follow the step 2. The step 2 is to enter into your Roblox. Yeah, before that please close all the web and app. Once you closed, after that please open Roblox and then enter into the settings. Over there please select privacy and content security and log in the multiple credentials. If you had any confusions over your login, please scroll down and you may see a logout from all the system. Yeah, logout from all the system or other session. Please click and log out from all it, and again you need to log in. And our third step is to troubleshoot network. So to troubleshoot your network, you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to pick system and then need to scroll down. You need to find troubleshoot, hit the troubleshoot and then click other troubleshoot. Over here you need to click run on network and internet. Yeah, it shows no issues. If in case you had any issue, the troubleshoot option will be over there. Please click and troubleshoot it. And also you can run your network test and you can restart your modem or Wi-Fi. Please plug out and plug in your modem and then restart your PC. Once you are done, please close it. Yeah, our fourth step is to click Windows R and then type control firewall.cpl to check whether the firewall is blocking the Roblox game or not. Please click allow an app. Once you hit allow an app, you need to find Roblox over here and please check whether the public and private is enabled or not. If not, please check in. If it's already enabled, it's no issue, close it. And our fifth step is to click Windows R and type %temp% and hit enter. Yeah, over here you need to find the Roblox folder. Once you find the Roblox folder, please delete the entire folder. Yeah, that's it. And our next step is to click Windows R and type %local app data % to delete the version folder. Maybe these folder may corrupted, so that's why we are deleting those 3 folders. Over here you need to click version and you need to delete the version folder. Yeah, that's it. We deleted 2 folder from previous step and the current step. So our next step is to run command prompt in administrator mode for scan and refresh DNS. So for that you need to enter your CMD as I told you earlier. Over here you need to type ipconfigure /flash DNS flush DNS, and then it successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So for the other command prompt is ipconfigure /release and then ipconfigure space slash renew. We released and renewed, and now what we are gonna type is net sh winsock reset. Once you're done, please exit from the command prompt. As you enter exit on the prompt, it automatically exit from your command prompt. So once it's done, please restart your PC and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, you need to reinstall the Roblox and Studio again. So I hope you enjoy the video and issue will be solved. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.